Hello guys, another video from my car as every Friday on this channel, not directly about Laravel, but also about career, productivity, and sometimes business. And topic of today, what I want to talk about is promoting your products. By product, I mean packages, paid products, SaaS solutions, or whatever you have, ebooks, courses, whatever. Because I've been asked this question a few times during Laracon EU, which I attended recently, and also what happened there is I kind of got used to people coming to me and thanking me for my videos, for years of hard work which I did on this channel. But also what's new, at least a few people thanked me for retweeting their products or retweeting their articles or courses or something, because apparently I do have influence with my 40,000 followers at this time. I don't even remember exactly, but anyway, it helped them to get their message across, to get their product in front of wider audience like my own audience, and generally got the first traction for their product. So I thought, why don't I give that advice during my Friday video from my car, how to promote your product. And it seems like what gets traction in Laravel community specifically is going through so-called influencers. I probably can call myself influencer by now, or you can call it thought leaders or popular people in the community. So if someone from popular people retweet your tweet or share your tool, it works really well, because then a few more popular people see that tweet, and then a few more retweets may snowball from there. So essentially your goal is first to make a product good and with good readme or documentation or whatever, so people would get a quick idea what the project does. And then your goal is to get it in front of someone popular or who generally has influence on the community to share your project. But of course, it's not that easy. If you're a nobody, so to speak, if you don't have social presence that much, it would be hard. But still, try to email me, povilas@laraveldaily.com. Try to submit your project on Laravel News. There's a section for external links, which they share every Sunday. And also, I think it exists for Spicy newsletter, if I'm not mistaken. And maybe there are a few more popular newsletters or resources to submit to. But also try to direct message, again, myself or others in the community, but in a friendly way. Don't be spammy. By default, we don't care about that project. And yes, I know it sounds sad, but we're all busy. I get a lot of emails and tweets. You have to pitch yourself in a good way so the product would actually sound useful, interesting, and valuable for the community. Because part of my job is actually share good articles, tutorials, courses, including courses from competitors like Codecourse or Laracast. I do that all the time. And also tools and products. So if you have something valuable, I'm glad to share that with the community. That's actually part of my job. But also with that advice, I would advise you to be active in social community anyway, because with your social presence, with your tweets and replies and engagement in other products, discussions, for example, on forums and elsewhere, you get that social currency, which makes it easier for others to recognize you when you do launch something. And it happened for so many people in Laravel community who were blogging and shooting videos and tweeting for years. And then when they get like 10,000 followers, they release a product, and that product becomes popular in most part because of their social presence before launching the product. Of course, that product should be good anyway, but the social capital, the social currency may catapult that product to make it skyrocket against similar products released by less popular people. Of course, that may be not fair. Maybe that less popular person created technically a better tool, but it's part of how the world works with branding and company names. That's how people buy from Apple instead of other brands, for example, or Samsung or whatever. Name your favorite brand over any less known companies. But that takes years. Don't ask me how I know that, but as a result of that, now I can retweet your tweets and share your products, and they would receive quite a lot of likes on Twitter. Even now, after Laracon, I retweeted quite a few people's products and they got impressions, 50 likes and 1,000 impressions, just because people like seeing tools, especially if they are free, but even if they're not, if they're valuable, and they will share it gladly after my tweet. So yeah, this kind of unstructured video, but I hope you get the idea. Message influencers, message popular people if you have a good product, and then we will gladly help you share it. That's it for this time, and see you guys in other videos.